To keep a merry heart, number 2. To keep a merry, abhor bad news. Abhor bad news. When you hear it, don't promote it. Now, you cannot possibly just fully and completely shut your ears against bad news, because you're in a world where bad news flies around anyhow. Whether you want to hear it or not, it just flies on, and somehow you hear something. But even when you do not promote it. What do I mean? Do not further say it out. Just, have you heard? Didn't you hear? You become one of devil's agents and one of devil's propagators of bad news or evil reports. No! It has a way of also affecting you. So abhor it. Don't give it fear. Giving it fear means talking about it over and over and over again. The devil tells you something bad about you. You're telling it to somebody. Do you know the devil told me? The devil said this to me. Do you know somebody said that to me? Somebody said I may never to do well. Somebody said no. Don't talk about bad news. By talking about it, you're giving it fear. I'm sick. They said I'm sick. They said I have cancer. They said this. They said that. They said that. They said it's Ebola. It's close to it. You're talking about it, you're giving it fear. You're giving it fear. Because of that, the merriness of heart will be dealt with. The faith in your heart begins to diminish. Before you know, you can't rise up to the challenge. Even when you hear bad news, don't propagate it. Don't promote it. Don't give it fear.